Hello, creative pianist. And I thought, since I was inspired by Carole King this month, I'm going to be doing a really quick little tutorial just with the riff from one of her main songs called I Feel the Earth Move. I feel the earth move under my feet. You know it. Okay, if you don't know it, go have a listen. It's I Feel the Earth Move by Carole King. So what I'm going to do is basically break down the fact that we've got two chords essentially in the first whole bit of the song, and that's all I'm going to be breaking down, so it's going to be super quick. We've got two chords. The first chord is C minor 7, and we're going to be using that in various different inversions. And the way we normally split that up is to have the E flat major part of it in the right hand and then the C in the left hand. So that's our C minor 7. The second chord is still C on the bass, but with an F major in the right hand. Okay, so C in the bass, F major in the right hand. So we're going to be going basically between those two chords. Now we've got to get the bass riff right because that is the main recognizable bit in the song. So let's hone in on that. We're basically doing octaves on the C note basically the whole way through, playing 2 of each. Okay, so we're going to be practicing that. The other thing we're going to need to be doing is alternating between the E flat major, which is part of the C minor 7, and the F major chord. So let me play it first. Okay, and the way the singing goes with that is we've got this is the intro. I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky crumbling down. Okay, so that's what we're going to get to. Let's hone in on that rhythm. So we've got the rhythm of the left hand already. The right hand is going to be playing on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, this is part of our E flat major chord. You can play the whole E flat major, or you can just play the G and the B flat. Right? Then the next bit is going 1, 2, and 4. So 1, 2, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Now we're going basically between still that E flat major and F major, but we're going sort of in the middle. So we've got okay. So 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're doing the same thing again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, then we're doing the same thing, but instead of down here, we're going to bring it up to with that E flat at the top. So we're playing it just the same thing, same pattern, same rhythm, same chords, but just a different inversion. So we've got that E flat at the top going up to the F at the top. Okay, so practice that. That's basically the start of I Feel the Earth Move, and it comes back in every time she does that refrain again, which is throughout the whole song. So I'll do another demo of that just so you can hear how that goes. I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down. I feel the heart start to tremble whenever you're around. You can kind of get through most of the song just by using that riff in slightly different ways. So have a go at that. Hope you have fun. Carole King, go listen to some of it.